Hello, good evening. I will not even try to read that name. Error, whatever. Sorry. Error something. Hello, good evening. Okay, cool, this works just fine. What are you building? How it looks like? I have Xcode on screen, simulator, so yes, that's ISAP, exactly. Okay, I basically yesterday at night implemented first try for Superwall paywalls. Now I need to kind of fine-tune that a bit. Not fine-tune, just basically do proper implementation. That was just quick test implementation to see that generally it works. Okay. Okay, so here is my demo paywall, which kinda shows up, but that's not kind of, I will not use it for real into the application, but it is already fetching products. And yeah, now I know what I would like to do. I would like to change configuration to test against Xcode, not stored in configuration. Oh, interesting. Which one? Seems that I have Superwall already added. It's somehow automatically. I was thinking 2 hours ago if you're gonna be live today. Yes, I am. I was also kind of thinking, am I going to be live or not? It's possible that from all the indie devs you are the only one who is not making 40k in a month. Maybe I'm not lying about my revenue. Yeah, everyone on X is making 10k in a day. Yeah, I know a few anecdotes about that. I still believe that there are plenty of developers who are making that money. And there are plenty of developers who are making less. Maybe those who are making less kind of do not feel confident to talk about and share those numbers, which are less than 40, 50k in a month. I don't know. For me 4k in a month feels good number as well. Okay, let's see. Let's try this option. It kind of sucks everyone. I don't even know who buys those AI. That was why I like you and your style. Okay, yeah, thank you. I just do not. I'm not saying those who are saying that they're making shitload of money are lying. I don't know. Most of them probably not. But whatever. I'm just saying how it is. I know that, for example, there is on X. If I'll open X, I almost always see some post from him. So Pavel is kind of saying what he's doing. He's growing to 10K. He's not even close. Nicholas doesn't show revenue. At least I didn't see. And there was also... Where is the search? Okay. Adam Light. He was making something like, he was making smaller numbers, something like 3/4, and grow it to the 5K in a month, and now he's making something like those numbers, yeah, tens of the thousands. Level Silo and Mark Lowe, yeah, those guys are making that money that they are saying, yeah. Level Silo is around for a while and he's making millions in a year. Mark Lowe, he has one successful product and making a shitload of money from it. And yeah, few smaller, but I think, yeah, he's kind of, I don't think he's lying or something. But yeah, it's kind of strange that, yeah, if you open Twitter, almost everyone is making tens of the thousands in a month, and you are kind of trying to get to the few hundreds. Oh, Svazo, thanks for joining the members club. Thank you very much. I like how that YouTube also introduced this members thing now, and you get kind of different, your tweets looks different, you're getting badges on in comments and in the chat. Before it was Twitch only, now yeah, it's interesting on YouTube as well. My motto is from you, okay. Shoot it. If I can buy a ramen a day, I'm okay. Yeah. Yeah. I think if you are on ramen profitability, you're already doing great, you know? And yeah, from here, you can only grow. Okay, I already forget. I changed configuration. Did I build application? Let's build again, just in case. And yeah, and I don't have paywall enabled anyways, or I have it. No, I don't. Okay, I should enable paywall. Let's go. So I will show the same paywall. Let's go to the habit list view. And here we need paywall. Basically something like that. Yeah, sure, we need to import Superwall kit. And so probably we need to go with something like, actually what was this dot paywall? I think that was for adoptee. Yeah, I removed that already. That was adoptee paywalls. Okay, so I probably can do here something similar, something like this. Habit list view. And here we have show paywall. This basically could work. Yeah, of course. Okay. Just in habit list view that is here. And basically, if I will add more than 4 habits, then let's choose different icon. Okay, let's make it look a little bit better. Lift. And probably I can add one more. Yes. Let's say read. And yeah, I know we got paywall. Okay, cool. And let's try to buy. So yeah, we don't have prices now. That's fine. Because when we fetched all the details from App Store Connect, then we got prices. No, we didn't. That's because of config. And hey Merrick, hello. Purchases, adaptee. Which one I can choose? I can choose online products should be synchronized actually, probably. Yeah, this should be online products. Subscriptions. Okay, let's try to use this config. And it's theme. Okay, that will be this should get online products. Let's try. Hello, Foxbit. Good evening. Here we got some prices. This price is fetched. For this product we don't have fetched price. Whatever, I would like to test purchase. And yeah, it's showing it correctly. Any reason why you choose not to have an architecture where it abides separation of concerns? What? Example, Vue knows about notification manager. Vue has business logic. Vue knows about notification manager. Why Vue should know about notification manager? Vue has business logic. Why Vue have to have business logic? Does it make harder to understand and debug what is going with your scenes, or if in the app you think it's completely will not cause any problems? I do not see why Vue should have business logic. There should be Vue manager which has all the business logic and so on. You don't need business logic in the Vue. Hey John, hello. Okay, it kinda works, but yeah, of course we have, it looks ugly, we will fix that. It's in process, that's fine. That new paywall is very pleasing. Oh, it's kind of not good yet, because you see it kind of doesn't look nice here on the bottom, but we will fix that. For example, using clean Swift or MVVM architecture. Why do you think, what is MVVM architecture for you? You have view, model, you have view, I forget already, view, no, forgot MVVM. Model, view controller, view model, something like that. Forgot already. Basically, I have model, I have view models, so that's enough, I think, for my application. I have models, I have view models, and I have views. That's what I wanted to say. But yeah, you're asking me about architectures and so on. But what is your problem? What you're trying to solve? What exactly you are asking me? Are you asking why I do not use some fancy architecture in my small indie apps, or what? What is exactly your question? Okay. So somehow we don't have all the products here. Can we synchronize it? Will it fetch all the products? Okay, I got all the products now. Okay, now when I will run it again, the paywall should show all the products that we have. Not all that we have, but all which are added to the paywall. Yeah, here we have prices for both of the products are here. Only 0.8. Yes, 0.8 per week. That's something like $10 in a year. I know, tricky. So this product is yearly subscription. Oh wait, it's $3.99. We don't have such price. Monthly could be $1.99. Do I really have prices like that? I don't think so. I think there is some problem fetching prices. Let's see. Maybe I was drunk and changed prices someday and do not remember that anymore. Let's go and check prices. Okay, here we are. We're logged in. Hey, Carlos. I hear it's time for you to get a new MacBook. No, why? I had a problem with my MacBook, but I restarted it and it works just fine. All is good. Oh, actually my camera is slightly drunk while it's falling apart. Better. Yeah, restart magically fixed the problem. Restart fixed the problem. Yeah, this keyboard is amazing. I like it as well. Really good keyboard. Okay, let's check the prices. I start to worry about. Okay, subscriptions. Habit Premium. Okay, this is yearly. What is current price? Yeah, it's $9.99. I don't know why. How Xcode got $3.99 here. And monthly should be also different. It is $9.99. I don't know why it shows $3.99, so that's wrong. And monthly should be something like, I'm guessing here maybe 3, no. Yeah, monthly is 199, yeah, that's true. Oh, Silverback Swift, hello, long time no see. Hello, hello. Are you millionaire already? You're not showing up in between us poor indeed apes anymore. Okay, again this song, I don't like it anymore. How's it going? I hope all's good. Didn't hear from you for a while. Yeah, this price is correct here. Why it is incorrect here in the paywall, I don't know, but that's basically on Xcode side. Not a millionaire yet. Meh, sad, sad. You know, only hang out with the rich and beautiful. Yeah, that was my assumption, that maybe he hit the jackpot and currently he's hanging out with guys who are growing from 100k to I don't know what. Okay, it's sad that you're not millionaire yet, but good that everything is good. I'm here with you. Yeah. Can I ask how many new users you got from this app since the last big update? Yes, you can ask that, and I will tell you. I got about 1,000 users. So here we have analytics from last 3 months. Installs are about 1,000. Revenue is about $161. That's what I got. Also, not a millionaire yet. Still working hard. Okay, Anshu, maybe you know what that could be. I wanted to get my personal dev license for Apple, but it is already a week and they are not changing. It takes time. I heard also from guys who are waiting for 2 weeks and somehow, yeah. Still not millionaire net, he said, driving a Bugatti. He does. My Bugatti is Skoda Octavia, dude. You'll get 100 likes. I like it already. Thank you, Said. We have 17 likes currently. And we have 29 people are watching currently stream, and for more than 10 of them, like button doesn't work. It's fine. But check, yeah, maybe it somehow can be fixed. Okay, back to the thing that I did. So, fetched product prices are not correct, but that doesn't really matter. Big fan. Thank you, Akash. Thank you very much. Okay, this paywall is I just tested. Can I get it? And I would like to test now if I will click purchase. Will it do the trick? Basically change the user status, everything. And will I get access to the premium features? Because I very loosely implemented this yesterday and I didn't even test success case. So paywall dismissed themselves, that's good. And yeah, status is not changed because app thinks that user is not premium user yet. And that is not cool. We should change that. So we need to implement some kind of callback after success to update user status. We'll see. Maybe those prices are placeholder. Not really. Fetch it from App Store. Lurking here, going back to Twitch. Okay, John. Yeah, it's kind of... I like video player on YouTube much better than Twitch player, but chat experience is kind of better probably on Twitch. But that's why I'm streaming on both. Not everyone is in on Twitch. Oh, hey Ori, we continue today. Interesting. Now the user status is updated and I can get access to the premium features. So there was some delay. Oh, there will be ad soonish on Twitch. Sorry guys in advance. Interesting. Okay, let's go and take a look how you are supposed to implement those Superwall paywalls. All joking aside, I think I'm still along behind Ivers. I'm not sure, but it's not a competition. I want to see 100 app developer millionaires. Yeah, I think it can be competition, but in good way. You know, it doesn't. It is not like when one is winning, all the other are losing. No, that's huge market, and everyone can be winning in this market. So no worries about that. But yeah, I was a little bit lazy for the last decade, no, last month. And I don't have good progress. I basically still bumping in my range in between 3 to 5k. Trying to change that. I think that shows our exchange and the people we have met, we are all already millionaires somewhere. Yeah. It's encouraging one another. Yes, it's kind of, yeah, inspiring, yeah, and that stuff, yeah. Agree. Okay, how... Here we have documentation, cool, paywalls, design, polarizing, discounts. What's that? Some kind of diagram. Okay, let's see. Configuration, open up configuration, preloads paywalls, that we are doing. Pricing info, okay, present, does something, show paywall, presents paywall, purchase. Yeah, but I do not see, okay, do we have any callbacks or something to handle? It's kind of messy currently because I am using RevenueCat and Superwalls. I don't know. Okay, user management. Do you feel like I about this? It's inspiring me to spend more on keyboards. What is your current MacBook setup? What do you mean by setup? I have MacBook connected to the Apple Studio display. If that is setup that you are asking, or I have installed Xcode and Chrome. What is setup in your question? Not sure about that. Okay, here is something, user Superwall delegate. Oh. Superwall shard, I don't know. Respond to purchases. Handle Superwall placements. Not really. Deep links, custom paywall actions. It was M1, yeah, it is M1 Pro 16-inch MacBook. As soon as I started to read documentation, I become super sleepy. Migration steps. A little bit boring, but we should get through this. Paywall present and configuration. No, there should be. I remember, even remember in documentation there was something about RevenueCat event handling, something like that. Initialize Superwall in your app. Yes, we do that. Purchases and subscriptions. Oh, here it is, something like that. Creating a purchase controller. Handles purchasing, restoring your protocol methods, yada yada. Okay. And they had something similar when you using... Oh, I can't read. I'm falling asleep just reading this. Okay, that is StoreKit option, but there was something similar for RevenueCat. Ah, here it is, using RevenueCat. Okay, here it is. If you want to use RevenueCat, yes, I would like to, because I don't want to change that part currently. Create purchase controller. Okay. Then copy paste following. Boom. Here it is, subscription status. Customer info is from, yes, that is from RevenueCat. Maybe this could work actually. If we will add this, then RevenueCat will update ASAP the status for purchase. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I need. Let's add. Oh, you know what? Let's try. Let's give it a chance. Okay, I should make a file in the project on my own. Purchases. Let's create this file. New. Oh, I'm super sleepy. Empty file. Let's say purchases Swift. Yes, something like that. Okay. Purchases configured. This purchases, that is a RevenueCat thing, and we have it configured. Yeah, if we will not have it configured here, we will have error, but it is configured already. For a wait, we are waiting for customer info, and that is RevenueCat part here. Okay. Yeah, probably this will work, and here it will be basically this is Superwall product handler basically for events. When purchase happens, cancel it, purchase it, and so on, and then we will update. Then we will update status for the customer. Yeah, this will work actually. If you're super sleepy, that's the right time to start coding sleep. Yes. It's time to play Tarkov instead. Yeah, maybe I should play a little bit games as well. Tarkov, not sure about Tarkov. I never played it. I should be horribly bad at that game, but whatever. Probably I still have a subscription active for this customer. Come on, build. Actually, I will grab something. Maybe I need a little bit sugar. We should replay the Alien Gaming years ago when we made that gaming live stream. Oh yeah, I'm down for gaming live stream. I'm not sure about that Alien Gaming. But yeah, some just fun shooter could be a thing. Why not? I don't know, what do you have bigger cans in US? It is something like calories. How much that is? 300? Oh no, 100 millimeters. No, it's not 100. It's something like, yeah, I don't see it. It's basically how much sugar and all of that you have on 100 millimeters. It's 300 millimeters can. Load the music. Thank you. Any specific goal in terms of progress for Habit app? Or you just see where you get? What is in terms of progress? Are you talking about implemented features? Or earned revenue? Or what? I don't have a revenue goal for this application because it's not the easiest niche to set goals, you know, for apps because habit tracking apps there are a shitload of them. Okay, where is my purchase today? That follow was load. Thanks for follow, Banakafala. Got to just drink straight from 1 or 2 liter bottle. Oh yeah. No. Subscription options. Cancel subscription. Save. Okay, I cancelled. And it is expired. So will we get paywall now? Nothing happens. Oh, it's just hanging out. Okay, let's rerun. Hello, hello. We're doing great. Thank you. Okay, paywall is back. So let's try purchase again. Let's say monthly access. Let's build it. Subscribe. All set. Fine. Can I add habit now? Not yet. Yeah, the delay is not good. And if I will click again, it's still not here. And I am doing verification like, let's see. Oh, maybe I am checking status on opening of the screen. Where do I do that? Actually, show paywall is bad way to check that. And where I am triggering it. Selected habit is nil. What? Can add habit. Okay, and what we are looking here. Can habit. Yeah, we are setting it as variable here, basically on screen opening, but we need to update it dynamically after purchase. Okay. Because currently status for this subscription active, definitely is already changed, but we already set this variable on screen opening. Not cool. So basically user should, okay, now it's updated. I don't know why, but if you will move away from the screen, then it will update. Yeah. Basically this can add habit is not good way to verify it. Basically we should do that on the fly every time. We don't need this calculated variable here. Where do I use it? Come on, go away. Can add habit. It's once and twice here. Basically that can be just if. We don't need this variable. Too smart. Be more simple, you know. Here is if. So if subscription is active or habits count is less than 4, then for sure you can add habits, more habits. Okay, let's try, let's test. Use a function instead of and call it it when you tap the plus button. Yeah, exactly. That's what we just did. Do you spend money on Apple search ads? I don't know. Let me tell you. Apple search ads. App Store Connect. Apple. I'm trying. Apple search ads. Search ads. Come on, open link. What's going on? I'm clicking you. Oh, we should wait. Okay. So, insights. Explore insights. Okay, let's take a look. Do I spend money? Probably no, or not much. So no, I do not spend money on Apple search ads. I'm trying, but no. because I'm doing small bets on long tail keywords, and yeah, so far maybe those keywords are bad or my bid on click is too low. But I'm kind of saying, okay, I'm ready to pay $1 per install, and I have quite a list of keywords, but I am asking Apple to do not try to guess whatever Apple would like to. Oh my gosh, scroll it somewhere. So yeah, here are plenty of keywords that I'm kind of trying to get, but yeah, so far zero everyone. Max bet is basically €1. Yes, that's one euro, actually not even dollar, but €1 for per install. Basically, if someone will search for, let's say, atomic habits, and Apple will show my app ad and that user will install it or self-discipline, then I will pay €1 per this install. It's way too much, but whatever. I'm just kind of playing with... I'm just imagining that it is monopoly money and basically trying to experiment with search ads to understand what works, what not, and so on. But yeah, so far I'm not spending money. I'm trying, but yeah. Okay, I think this should work better than calculated variable. Let's try to rerun it and see. Advanced, yes, of course, advanced. I'm not crazy to automatically feed money to Apple, of course. Okay, let's cancel again that subscription. Oh, I don't have active subscription, really? Didn't I buy? Okay, seems that not. Okay, let's buy. Subscribe. All is good. We subscribed. Still see paywall. Why? Okay, let's go. Let's add some breakpoints. Okay, and where we are and why we are here. So user model subscription active is false, right? Or what? Why? Yeah, and we are setting it here, but it seems that Superwall callbacks didn't update it. Print over breakpoints, always, of course. And here I do not see my variables. Okay, whatever. Let's run over and I'll click just one more time. No, I will click just one more time here. Where is my user model? Why I do not see that variable here? Because all of this is basically model context for Swift data, and I assume that I will see variables here as well. But for some reason I do not see them. But okay, whatever. We have print now added. Let's rerun. It seems like it doesn't like you. Yes. It's kind of rude, yeah. You can debug in console using Pro and check the variables. Using Pro and check the variables. I already added print for variable, but yes. It seems that somehow we are not getting update. So if I'm using RevenueCat paywalls, then of course RevenueCat updates user state and all of that jazz. Here with Superwall paywalls, seems that RevenueCat status is not updated. I think this purchase view controller should kind of do that, but okay, let's add breakpoints here as well. So here we should be, here is user cancelled, here is user purchased. Basically this is success case for the purchase. And I don't know, maybe something is missing. We'll see. So is it running or what? Didn't I click run? Maybe, probably. Yeah, so recommendations, interesting. What recommendations I can get from Apple? No recommendations, okay. Well, it's building, let's take a look. Maybe Apple will suggest us some interesting keyword, add keywords. Recommending keyword life for habit tracking application. Really? Why? Health. To do, I don't know, small habits. Goal widget? Maybe. Sleepy Bites doesn't make sense. That's my company name, by the way. So, and here basically I'm kind of setting max bet, how much I would like to pay, let's say €1. And if you will leave it broad, then Apple will try to find, actually that widget is with typo, vidiget. Okay, you can say you are looking for exact kind of search, or you can choose broad. And if it is broad, then Apple will try to, I don't know, do some guessing. Oh, user typed, I don't know, something, and maybe you should show your app as well. So I'm always choosing exact, saving, and yeah, that's how I created my campaign. Okay, we are up and running. So can I add? Okay, print true. So subscription is active. That's good, right? So now we can add new habit. That's basically expected result. Okay, let's cancel that subscription. Do we have active subscription now? today. Expired. Which one is active? All of them are expired. Why? Subscription still is active. Yeah, I can't cancel it. It is already kind of cancelled. I don't see active subscription here. Actually, we should see it here. How to be an iOS developer. Is it worth it nowadays? Yeah, that's an interesting question. Philosophical. How to be an iOS developer. You basically learn how to do programming and start develop iOS apps for someone else or for yourself. Step 1. Is it worth nowadays? That's up to you, you know. I can tell you, for example, try Dr. Pepper, you will love it. Maybe you will hate it, I don't know. Same about iOS development, is it worth for you? Maybe you will hate it. Maybe you will not earn enough money. I don't know how much money you need to earn. What else are your kind of... what else are variables that you are looking for? Do you make enough from our apps? Your apps, okay, to sustainable your lifestyle. Yes. I checked your revenue stats on Sensor Tower and your apps are making less than 5K in a month. Yeah, that's correct information. Are there advantages as a company compared to solo proprietor? That depends on country and local laws for taxes and everything. Are you asking about Apple status, who you are as a developer? Then there is no kind of difference. I don't know, you don't have any benefits to get more downloads or something. Those questions about money always are funny. So you're checking my revenue on the Sensor Tower. You see, okay, how many 4 or 5 applications, each and every of them making less than 5,000. And then you're asking, oh, are you surviving? Are you doing well? Do you make enough money? Yes. Okay, which app makes the most of the money? All those questions are so funny. Why did you enroll as a company? Because that's my legal entity. I am working here. I'm registered as a company. I'm working as a company. I am employed myself in the company and all the jazz. So that basically makes sense to be registered as a company as well. How do you manage differentiate your habitat from other competitors? Oh, there are many ways to do that. One of them is content marketing, for example. This live stream, for example. Many other ways. Okay, where we are? Here we are. Why this subscription is not expired yet? Okay, let's go and take a look on config. So I'm using currently this config, right? Yes. Editor. Any renewal every 3 seconds. 30 seconds. It should be expired already because monthly subscription test when you're testing are expired after something like 6 or so times. Okay, let's change to the 10 seconds and build again. Is it expired already? No, not yet. Fuck. Okay. Okay, let's take a look on documentation while I'm waiting for expiration. So where I was looking for? Here. Create purchase controller. Okay, we did that. No. Using RevenueCat. Yes. I think this approach is one that I would like to do. Why music is double? Oh, I know why. Probably. Yeah, I know why. Because it's going through microphone as well. Let me fix that. I should change. I should change headphones. I'll fix it. I totally forgot about that thing. Let me connect Bluetooth headphones. Yep, you're right, we have double music. Okay, now it should be fixed. That's kind of tricky thing because here I have audio interface that is connected to the headphones, but also microphone is connected to the same audio interface. And basically, if I'm listening through those headphones, then it works so that computer sending audio to this audio interface, and it is going kind of to the same channel that is microphone going inside, not directly through microphone, but basically through this audio receiver. And at the same time, you hear the music from the desktop, from player on Windows. So it's fixed now, because now I'm listening through those headphones. Here is here a tool to check if my app name is available in specific country on the App Store. I don't know if there is tool like that. Never were looking for tool like that. I always just going and kind of registering app name through App Store Connect, and then you see if app name is already kind of taken. You will see that. Yeah, so I need my emergency water bottle. Okay. Let's put your status, subscription status. Okay, I will do ask ChatGPT to take a look on that. Actually that's cloud, but whatever. My brain is already kind of, I don't know if that's today problem or consistent, but I do not feel the brightest mind today. But I will ask if AI can help me with this one. But I'm definitely not going to release anything today. Okay, here is RevenueCat purchase controller. Okay, so okay, we are not getting in this error, we're not getting in this error. All that works fine. So we are using it in that list view. So the problem is that the status for RevenueCat status is not updated. Where it is? Where is the check? Here it is. No. Okay, show paywall. Oh, here it is, yeah. But when I do purchase and blah, 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 Uniment. Okay, let's see. So problem could be maybe in the RevenueCat implementation as well, because that is kind of oldish. Maybe I'm not kind of fetching, updating, or doing something. Let's see. Hopefully, Cloud can help me. Okay. Let's modify this thing. Why? Also ensure the purchase delegate handlers properly updating the status. It kinda updating, but okay, I'm ready. I agree, we can check that. Finally, add method to user view model to force refresh the subscription status. Yeah, that sounds like that we need to do this refreshing, but we're just adding probably this function. Call this refresh method after successful. Yes, that's basically what logic tells me to do as well. All of that sounds reasonable. Let's agree with that. Yeah, here in the success case, we update. Yes, okay. Okay, sounds reasonable. Try composer agent mode. Oh, yes, maybe. But this answer looks kind of reasonable already. I will go with this one for now. Hi everyone, when writing Swift code with cursor, can I write successfully or it does consistently break other places? It breaks, but it's kind of okayish. Does it take more time to write prompt? Didn't understand that question. Writing prompt will take the same time in any place, in my opinion. Purchase delegate handler. Oh, last time I touched it 2 years ago. Yeah, it's... Task mine actor in user view model shared customer info. Okay. Okay, sounds reasonable. And here in user model we should add refresh purchase, refresh subscription status. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure about this function, but okay. It is not breaking anything. Let's test. No, we will not touch paywall view. Paywall view is... Oh, Marco, hello. Where have you been? We were waiting for you. Yeah, that's right. That's true. We can do this type of handling on the paywall. I saw this type of... yesterday, basically, I started with this. Okay, I think now we can try to see if this will compile at all. Only 4 errors, right? Not that bad. Showing paywalls. How it's going? I'll say okay, not bad. I kind of started to do what I planned to do, but that includes a lot of reading a lot of documentation, and I immediately become sleepy. No, I implemented paywall actually yesterday. Here it is. Currently, I'm just kind of. Here it is. Paywall is working. Currently, I'm struggling a bit with basically handling callbacks and cleaning it up. You know, the first rough cut I implemented it, and it works. I can even make purchases and all the jazz. It works, and I can show it differently. I can go like that. All that works, you know. But currently the problem that I have, if I will make this purchase, for example, I'm subscribing, all set, we are good. But if I will click here, I'm getting paywall again. So it takes a little bit of time, or I should move around the screens. I don't know. And now it works, you know. So basically status is not updated. Yeah, so it works, basically just some not minor, let's say some fixes are needed. Is that on, or on there's on, I think this is on my side, because currently I am asking basically on the RevenueCat SDK, is this premium user, before I'm kind of allowing to add habit. And yeah, and then RevenueCat is saying yes or no, and after purchase we have to wait for some time until RevenueCat kind of saying, oh yeah, right, that's premium user. And that's not the best experience, as you may guess, you know. And now I'm looking how we can kind of force this knowledge to the RevenueCat. Okay, showing paywalls, overview. Okay, how that will work if I will work with Composer? Oh, that was scary. CBTs. Let's use this Composer. Okay, here. Oh, actually I should continue in the same chat to do not lose the... Okay, let's keep going to do not lose the context. Yeah, scary, right? Not like old good audio alerts, but... Not like you're John Cena, but still scary. Okay. My typing also is not perfect. Okay, it's horrible. So currently we're getting Shitload of errors here. Do you use iCloud Sync in your apps? Yes, in a few. Yeah, we're actually not using. Yeah, here we trying to update user view model, and then that should be fine, but let's see if this code is... Let's see if this code is correct. Yeah, today I'm not in the state to read documentation or something. Extra tailings. What the fuck? Is this here? Extra tailing closures at position 3-4 in call. On skip. Whatever. That's not my problem. Let's pretend I'm product manager. I will say, dude, still do not work. That's a nice answer. Looking in the Superwall documentation more carefully, I see the issue. It will start hallucinating. Yeah, it is, yeah, already. The paywall view is provided by Superwall. Yeah, it is. Here is correct implementation. I'm very skeptical about this. But okay, let's try. And if that will not work, probably we will need to... I will need to read documentation. Type cannot confirm to the view. Yeah. Implementation is not correct. Okay, whatever. So, showing paywalls. Superwall sharded register placement. Yeah, but we need callback something. On success case. Superwall sharded. Basically this is navigation begin onboarding. Probably that is like success case. Oh, I need to disable those audio notifications. It's kind of weird. Thanks for follow. But that's kind of loud. Yeah, I do not see handler, paywall presentation handler on present. Oh, interesting. Here is the handler on error, on skip. And where is success? Wait a minute, but this basically is what we need. On present paywall, on error, on skip. Huh, but I do not see success case here. Oh, but that is presentation paywall, not. That's basically when something of those happens, you basically will show presentation paywall. Okay, register everything. To provide your team with ultimate flexibility, blah blah blah. Mix panel, Firebase. Handling network issues. Where is using Superwall delegate? Here is transaction complete. Status changes. Okay, what if we will use basically whatever paywall I used before? Let's try that. Basically this one, and just hope that updates in RevenueCat I added will make difference here. This, because this basically is purchase kind of handling, and here we already triggering user view model and kind of saying to update it, right? So why should we do that one more time here? I don't think it is necessary. Yeah. Okay, let's test this approach. But yeah, indeed, AI already kind of left this conversation. Okay, that's my favorite song, which I'm skipping always. Okay. Oh, still, my current subscription is not expired yet. Why? Okay, let's cancel it. Save. Is it cancelled already here? Yes, we see paywall. Amazing. Okay, let's try monthly subscription. Subscribe. Okay, will we get into the breakpoint where I was before? Here, nothing. What happened? Purchase result. No, nothing. Because we didn't get any errors. Okay, currently status is updated correctly, but let's try to do that faster. Basically, this was the result I wanted to see, but yeah, I'm not sure did that happen fast enough. Okay, subscription is cancelled now. I cancelled it, yes. Why are we not getting paywall yet? Okay, on canceling that could take some time. I'm kind of do not worry about that. Okay, let's just kill it, rerun it. We'll see what happens. Okay, paywall is here. Amazing. Let's buy. Yeah, I'm not running in any of those breakpoints. Yeah, and if I'm clicking again, yeah, that sucks. That's not what I wanted to see. Probably I can change implementation. I do not use RevenueCat at all. It is just handy that I can flip back from Superwall paywalls to the RevenueCat. That's why I would like to keep it. Yeah, that purchase and subscription status legacy. But we need here, looks like not legacy. Purchase subscription status. Oh, actually I don't have this purchase controller. Okay. You know what? Let's remove this. I'm not sure about this as well. All the rest is fine. Okay, so back to the cursor. Okay, let's try Composer. Oops. Oopsie. Okay. Good evening. Hello, hello, Roman. Hey, have a good streaming. Just wondering, how frequently do you stream on YouTube? Any regular or random? I'm trying to do one live stream in a week. And it was Wednesday before, but yeah, it's a little bit random because currently I'm also running online trainings for 4 weeks in a row for indie dev community, so that's kind of messing up my streaming schedule. I will say that this composer is harder to follow comparing with chat. Okay, we can review changes. This one, it's kind of easy, yeah. This one looks fine, but user view model is a little bit more tricky. Set up subscriptions. Okay, I see. Looks fine to me. Except next one. That's RevenueCat purchase controller. I just added that, so basically this was copy-paste code from Revenue for Superwall page. I just whatever. Let's hope it's correct. Okay, what was next? User view model, I just confirmed this one. Purchase view controller, just confirmed that one. Habit list view, I think I confirmed that already. Purchase delegate handler. Extension, subscription status is active. Why do we need that extension? A bit confusing, but okay, whatever. And this one is kind of we already yeah, your APK. This is APK. Don't be dumb, AI. Okay, we need to enable that. Okay. Okay. So Okay, let's try to build and see what happens. What's your update schedule? Update for what? Dude, update for what? I don't have update schedule for apps if you are asking for that. Are you satisfied with cursor? Tried it 2 times, but the changes overwhelmed me. Yes. I don't know. There are problems, but we didn't change this. Did we? Yeah, we didn't change this line. Wait a minute, what's wrong? Extension? No. That's probably updating the RevenueCat implementation. Store product is ambitious in this. Did we remove something like store kit or something? Sure. Can I see changes? Stage change or discard change? No, we just added this one. Right? Let's see. Discard change. Yeah, that was just adding this thing. We didn't have store kit here. Let's try to build. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Why? Because... Okay, let's remove this. I just want to see if I can get away this error. Discard change. Let's remove Superwall kit here. Yeah, and that subscription status, that was for Superwall, right? Only. More errors? Yeah, that's problem when you're kind of doing programming with AI. It's kind of daydreaming and adding kind of more errors than you had before. It's just kind of... Okay, I will go back to Composer. Okay, that was RC purchase controller. I feel that I will discard all those changes and will leave this for not so sleepy hours tomorrow, but let's play around a little bit more with yeah, store product. Oh, model doesn't support images. Okay, let's remove images. Da-da-da. I will copy paste errors, not a problem. Maybe, let's try. Hey Nickmuk, how are you doing? Good. Little bit sleepy, but fighting. Yeah, it's kind of, it sucks. No, I'm not happy. I'm not happy with suggestions from AI today. It's kind of trying to daydream. Fixing problems by adding another problems, and I already kind of losing context here. Can't really follow. Do we really need this, or what is going on here? It's refusing to work on weekends. Yeah, that could be true. That could be true. Yeah, probably I should also kind of take a break, remove all those kind of half-done changes, and it's too much changes already. I got that base functionality of Superwall working, and yeah, I should fix that delay on status update, but this is currently going already getting too complicated. I need nothing more, I need just basically callback. It's so much more complex than I would like to see. Let's go and change things back. Okay, this is fine. This is kind of questionable. Are you giving a composer docs and rules to work with? Yes, I provided documentation. And yes, I have some rules as well. Okay, let's stick with this. Let's rerun it. Probably no, I will be able to build. No? Maybe we have RC purchase controller. Yes. This should be removed. What else? Yeah, this line as well. And this line. And this line. Okay. Okay, let's try to build one more time. And here we should go with basically, yeah. Can add habit. Did I remove that variable? Probably. I will add it back here. Okay, now we will be able to run it. Okay, build succeed. Yeah, basically all what I would like to see is success or failure callback for that pay value. Basically here is success, here is error, and this is success. Okay, let's take a look. They should have some demo implementation or something for that. I just need to see how to handle success cases. Quick start. If they have some demo, I think they had some demo applications somewhere. iOS, Android, configure SDK, overview. Oh, here it is, iOS example apps. Let's go. Basic example app. Basic should be fine for me. Wait, is it included in the package? Do I have it in my project? Superwall kit. Examples, yeah, here it is. Basic. Aha, with basic app, Superwall handles everything for you. Check out advanced if you want to use entitlements, have more control over purchase restore process, and want to use RevenueCat. Yeah, that's me. Maybe I need basic. Maybe I kind of overcomplicated with that RevenueCat, but whatever. Let's try. Okay, Superwall shard address set. I don't know what that means. Okay, they have purchase controller. Purchase controllers. Here it is RC, that's like RevenueCat purchase controller, right? Right. Yeah, something like that. Subscription status. I basically had something like that. I had something like that, but I didn't hit those breakpoints here in success and error cases. So probably initial configuration wasn't correct. Basically, I see what should I do, but I'm not going to do that today. So I need to change configuration here on app startup. I need to use this purchase controller, but RevenueCat purchase controller, not that Superwall purchase controller. Or I need both. I don't know. I will not dig into that today. I will sleep on it. I will sleep on it and will think about it. Maybe I need basic implementation, because why do I need RevenueCat implementation for all the charts and reports? Because Superwall don't have reports. Okay, let me go and see dashboard. Surveys, localizations, docs, blogs, settings. Yeah, you have paywall rate and so on. RevenueCat has a little bit more advanced reports. That's probably the only thing that I will miss if I will go with Superwall only without RevenueCat. But I will go with this kind of little bit more complex solution, but then I can switch rapidly fast back to the RevenueCat if I do not like something in the Superwall. And I already have RevenueCat API implemented, so that's not a problem. Okay, whatever, but that is tomorrow's problem. Now I will wrap up, because that's a little bit too late for this task. I will better go and play some games and go to sleep. Sounds like a plan, right? And unlikely game stream is something that you would like to see. And I'm bad at, and even worse at gaming comparing with programming. So that's a wrap for the stream right here. I will keep going with this thing tomorrow or on Monday. That's the plan. That's the plan. Sounds like a good plan. Okay. Side also saying, right, yeah. Okay, I am going then to play a little bit of games and we'll deal with this tomorrow. Do you stream on Twitch? Yes, I do. Currently this stream is running on Twitch and on YouTube. Oh, bedtime reminder. Just in time. Thank you, Marco. Yeah, I'm horribly bad at gaming, so it's no chance that we will have a game stream, at least not tonight. Okay, bye bye all. Good